Hello, I'm Dave Epstein, and welcome to Growing Wisdom, and today we're going to talk Euonymus. The thing about Euonymus is that they are really versatile plants. So this is a very small one. It's called Emerald Gaiety. You can see just how beautiful it is with the white margins. I went over to Barry's greenhouses recently. They're out in Medway. Now they're wholesale, but I like to go there to kind of explore, and here's what I found. I'm taking a look at the Euonymus here, and these are just stunning. We'll take a look at the different varieties in a second, but you can see all of these that they're growing. These make great additions to your plantings. They could go in the ground or in containers. Either one would work. This particular Euonymus is called Emerald Gaiety, and it's a really nice Euonymus. I love the way it looks with the white margins there like that. Really nice ground cover. Some Euonymus will grow quite large. Others will stay smaller. We have this one, which has a little more white to it. And these tend to do well in a little bit of a shadier environment. This is Dan's Delight. That's a nice Euonymus there. You can see there's the tag, Dan's Delight. Much whiter in a way, thicker margin than the other one we just showed you. And then we have the green Euonymus with this beautiful shiny leaf. And this particular one here is called Paloma Blanca. You can see there's the tag there for that. And that's a really nice Euonymus as well. And then a final one, a little more lime green here. This is Happiness. This Euonymus, a little bit less hardy. Be careful with this one in early spring. This could get nipped by some frost, but you can see just how nice that looks. So different types of Euonymus, great for ground covers, great for fillers for window boxes as well. You can see this particular Euonymus in the landscape with the white margins. I really like the way that looks, especially in the winter when it pops. Some Euonymus are a little upright, like this one, and I use it to hide all of my stuff back there. Once this leaf's out, you won't see anything, including that ugly pipe. Some Euonymuses will grow up a tree and up and up and up and up and up and up. If your Euonymus gets too big, do not be afraid to get in there and hack it back. It does respond well to cutting. I try to do it before I start seeing the new growth. It's just a little bit easier on the plant, I find. I'm a little bit late on this, but you can cut it back. And it's a very forgiving plant, unlike some things where you really have to think about how you're cutting them. So here's some hyacinths here, which have gotten kind of covered by it. I'm going to pull it back so the hyacinths get some more light. Euonymus, just a great plant. Depending on what your application is, you can just Google which type is best. So for example, if you want a Euonymus that grows up and is evergreen, there's one for you. If you want one that stays low and creeps along, there's one for you. One that loves sun, you'll be able to find it. One that loves shade, you'll find that too. So just, use the search engines with the keyword Euonymus. Google things like white margins, yellow margins, all green, and you're sure to find one that's very pleasing. Super easy, super forgiving. For Growing Wisdom, I'm Dave Epstein.